and today I'm going to be making a homemade pizza. Now, I've only done this once ever before, and my first time doing it was here recently, and it was so good and so easy, and it was really fun. I have no idea why I didn't film it, but I'm filming it this time, so let's jump into it. I have my pizza crust. I got the Ultra Zen pizza crust. I'm gonna sit it on my baking sheet. Then I have this sauce. It's just Food Line home-style pizza sauce. I used it last time. I meant to get the Mexican blend cheese like I used last time, but I forgot to get it when I was out today. So I am using this Colby Jack shredded cheese. So first things first, I am going to apply the sauce. I'm gonna get a spoon. I'm gonna finish off the sauce that I had in the fridge first. So I have my busted up pizza crust. There we go. I'm finish this off. That's pretty. Now to add some cheese. Freaking love it. It looks so good. Yeah, almost crunchy. Yeah, let's do this. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, time for the toppings. I got pepperoni from Food Line, Italian, and I got mushrooms, also from Food Line. Bro, let's start with the pepperoni. A difficult task to do one-handed. I got this. Oh yeah, that might be enough pepperoni. Now for some shrooms. Let me get the sink. I'm trying to drain these bad boys. My sink's kind of a mess. I'm not really showing it to you guys. Oh, that's so beautiful. I love mushrooms. You already know about to use all these mushrooms up here. Boop. Boop. I've dumped all of them on here, and now I'm just kind of spread them out with my spoon. Every inch of the pizza must have mushroom. I should have went ahead and preheated my oven. I didn't even think about it. Oh my god. Here is the masterpiece before it's baked in the oven. Look. Now obviously you can use any kind of pizza crust, pizza sauce, cheese, and toppings that you want. I personally highly recommend this pizza sauce though. It's really good, and it's not like super expensive, you know. It's a Food Line brand, but I personally love pepperoni and mushroom. I should have gotten pineapple to put on it. It would have been so good. I don't know why I didn't get pineapple. Wait, I might have some. No, I don't have any. I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat now, and then we're gonna put it in there. Excuse me. I'm waiting for it to preheat to 425 degrees, and then I'm going to put it in for 12 minutes. It says 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna put it on 12 minutes and kind of just check it. Yeah. Ooh, let's make some cookies, guys. I have some chocolate chip cookie dough from Food Line. I'm gonna just eat some of it while waiting for this to preheat. This is my appetizer. Want one? I'll eat one for you. It's taking forever to preheat, dude. Stay hydrated. This is your reminder to drink some water today. Go. If you haven't had any water today, go get some. Waiting for the beep. Waiting for the beep, beep, beep. I mean, I could eat it just like this. Tell me to not eat the toppings. I don't need to do that. I just love making pizzas. Like, this is only my second time doing it myself, making a pizza, like homemade pizza, but I love it, and I can't wait to experiment with different stuff. Have you ever tried mac and cheese pizza? Because I have, and it is so freaking good. I can't remember where I got it from. Okay, the oven's beat, so I am going to put this in there for 12 minutes on 425. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Now we wait. I'll see you in 12 minutes. I just want to let you guys know I almost forgot to set the timer. So I just came back and set the timer. But it should be good. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. The pizza's done. Oh. Okay. Look at that. Now I'm gonna let it cool off and then I'm gonna try it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, check out my last cooking video. I made mashed potato bacon bombs and they were the bomb. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.